Top 5 Best USB to Micro USB Charging Cable. The best phone accessories, hand-picked for you. Number 5. AGVEE 3 feet coiled USB-A to micro USB cable. Hashtag AGVEE 3 feet coiled USB-A to micro USB cable, voiceover script. Script, 148 words. That little red coiled cable just solved a problem you didn't even realize you had every time you sit down to game or charge your old devices. If you're still rocking an Xbox One controller, a PS4 DualShock, a Kindle, or that trusty old Android phone, this AGVEE 3 feet coiled USB-A to micro USB cable was practically designed with your setup in mind. Here's what stands out. It's USB-F certified, meaning it meets genuine industry standards, not just some random cord tossed in a bargain bin. It handles two-way fast charging and reliable data sync without breaking a sweat. The coiled design keeps your desk from turning into a tangled mess, and that bold red color. Easy to spot when you're reaching behind your console in the dark. Now, fair warning, if you fully switch to USB-C across the board, this micro USB cable won't help you there. But for everyone still living in the micro USB world, this is the upgrade your charging station has been waiting for. Grab one before they're gone. Number 4. Anker 6-foot micro USB cable 2-pack, heavy-duty pet-proof braided Android charger cord, fast-charging wire with 25,000 plus bend lifespan for PS4 controller, Kindle and legacy tech, space gray. Hashtag YouTube voiceover script. Hook. Your dog just chewed through your third charging cable this month, and you're done replacing them. Body. This 6-foot micro USB cable 2-pack is built differently. The heavy-duty braided nylon exterior laughs at pet teeth, daily tugs, and desk clutter. With a tested 25,000 plus bend lifespan, these cords outlast standard cables by a massive margin. Fast charging keeps your PS4 controller, Kindle, and legacy devices powered without the frustrating slow trickle speed of cheap alternatives. The space gray finish looks sleek on any setup, and the generous 6-foot length gives you real flexibility, no more hugging the wall outlet. Transition. Now, one honest note, since this uses micro USB, it won't work with newer USB-C devices, so double-check your gear before grabbing it. Close. For anyone still running micro USB tech, and plenty of us are, this 2-pack is a no-brainer upgrade. Word count, 148. Number 3. Micro USB cable 2-pack 6-foot fast-charging Samsung Galaxy S7 S6 S5 Trustable. Hashtag YouTube voiceover script, micro USB cable, 2-pack, 6 feet, 6 feet. Script, 147 words. 2 cables, 6 feet each, and 0 excuses for staying tethered to a wall outlet. That's what you're getting right here, a pair of micro USB charging cables built for real life. If you're rocking a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, S6, S5, or practically any Android device still running micro USB, these are your new everyday essentials. High-speed charging and data transfer, no flimsy connectors, no frustrating slowdowns. Here's the thing, most cheap cables fray within weeks. These reinforced 6-foot cords give you the freedom to actually use your phone while it charges, whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or in bed. The 2-pack means one stays at home and one travels with you. Simple, reliable, and affordable. One small note, these are micro USB only, not USB-C or Lightning. But if your device uses micro USB, you're covered completely. End script. Number 2. SUNGUY 6 inches micro USB cable 3-pack, 0.5-foot nylon braided fast charging cord for Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge S6, power bank, Android phone, PS4. Hashtag SUNGUY 6-inch short micro USB cable 3-pack, voiceover script. Hook. 3 cables. 6 inches of pure convenience. That's all it takes to eliminate the cable clutter nightmare cluttering every drawer, car console, and nightstand. Body. The SUNGUY 3-pack delivers exactly what power users demand, compact, nylon-braided micro USB charging cords built for Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, S6, power banks, Android phones, and PS4 controllers. Each half-foot length is intentionally short, making portable charging effortlessly tidy without excess slack tangling your setup. The durable nylon braiding resists fraying far better than standard rubber-coated alternatives, while fast charging and reliable data transfer keep everything running smoothly. 3 cables in one pack means your car, office, and bedroom stay organized simultaneously. Limitation note. Just remember, at 6 inches, these are designed for close proximity charging, not reaching across the room. If you need longer reach, grab a different size. Close. Grab the SUNGUY 3-pack and finally ditch the cable chaos for good. Word count, 148. Number 1. Amazon Basics USB-A to micro USB cable, 6-foot black. Hook. Your phone's charging cable shouldn't be the weakest link in your daily routine. Body. The Amazon Basics USB-A to micro USB charging cable delivers reliable power and fast 480 megabits per second data transfer, perfect for Android users who demand efficiency without the premium price tag. At 6 feet long, it offers flexibility whether you're lounging on the couch or working at your desk. Gold-plated plugs resist corrosion and ensure a stable connection every time, outperforming flimsy knockoffs that fray after weeks of use. This cable syncs seamlessly with most Android phones and tablets, making file transfers and charging equally smooth. While it won't support newer USB-C devices, its durability and consistent performance make it a smart, no-nonsense upgrade for anyone still relying on micro USB. Close. Sometimes, the simplest tools make the biggest difference, and this one just works. Thanks for watching Best USB to Micro USB Charging Cable. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.